Why the Granular 3D printer T5 is so different? The biggest feature of the industrial-grade Granular 3D printer T5 from Shenzhen Picrate 3D Technology Company Limited. It can print a variety of granular materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, PC, and so on. Moreover, it also can print the fiberglass. The machine adopts the design of funnel barrel plus screw extrusion nozzle, which is conducive to continuous feeding and smooth printing. It is equipped with 42 to 75 high-power stepping model with rated power of 1400 watts, stable motion and fast shipping speed. Its printing speed can reach 100 mm per second, which is about 2 to 5 times faster than that of the ordinary 3D printers on the market. It can be widely used in sculpture model, teaching and scientific research, industrial parts, industrial mold manufacturing and other fields.